Join me as I dive into the complicated process of getting a green card for my spouse in 2025. Can I navigate this maze without losing my mind? Obtaining a green card for a spouse is a crucial step for many families and couples, as it provides a path to permanent residency and eventually citizenship in the United States. The green card process can be lengthy and frustrating, with applicants often waiting months or even years for their cases to be processed. One major challenge is the sheer amount of paperwork required, which can be overwhelming for those who are not familiar with the process. This can lead to mistakes and delays, making an already difficult process even more arduous. The processing times are also a significant issue, as applicants may have to wait for a long time before they can even begin the process of applying for a green card. The complexity of the process can be a significant barrier for many people, and the emotional toll of waiting for a decision can be substantial. The uncertainty surrounding the outcome of the application can also be a source of stress and anxiety for applicants and their families. The application process typically begins with the U.S. citizen or permanent resident spouse filing a petition on behalf of their partner. This petition requires a significant amount of documentation, including proof of the spouse's identity, immigration status, and the legitimacy of the marriage. The couple will also need to provide financial information and other supporting documents. The next step in the process is for the spouse to apply for a green card, which involves submitting additional documentation and attending an interview with a U.S. immigration officer. In 2025, there may be changes to the application process, such as new forms or requirements, which applicants will need to be aware of in order to successfully navigate the process. The U.S. immigration system is constantly evolving, and applicants need to stay up to date with the latest developments and changes to the process. New policies or trends can significantly impact the green card process for spouses, making it easier or harder for couples to navigate. For example, changes to the public charge rule or the introduction of new immigration laws can affect the eligibility of certain applicants. The increasing use of technology in the immigration process may also streamline certain aspects of the application process, such as the submission of documentation or the scheduling of interviews. The role of immigration attorneys and other experts may also evolve in response to changes in the process, providing applicants with new resources and support. The impact of these changes will depend on a variety of factors, including the specific circumstances of the applicants and the implementation of the new policies. The key points to take away from this discussion are that obtaining a green card for a spouse can be a complex and challenging process, and that staying informed about changes in immigration policy is crucial for success. If you've gone through the process of getting a green card for your spouse, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos for more information and updates on immigration-related topics.